Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drone in 2026, whether you're a beginner, content creator, or professional filmmaker, this video is for you. Today, I've picked the top 5 best drones that offer the best combination of camera quality, flight time, features, and value for money. From budget-friendly options to high-end professional drones, we've got everything covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 2, Best Budget Drone. The DJI Mini 2 is an ultra-light, foldable drone weighing under 249 grams, making it perfect for beginners and travelers. It features a 4K camera, 12-megapixel photos, and up to 31 minutes of flight time, along with OcuSync 2.0 transmission up to 10 kilometers. This drone is incredibly easy to fly and super portable. Despite its small size, it delivers sharp 4K footage with excellent stabilization thanks to its 3-axis gimbal. It's ideal for casual users, vloggers, and beginners who want great quality without complexity. Pros: lightweight and travel-friendly, easy to use for beginners, stable 4K video quality, long transmission range. Cons: no obstacle avoidance, limited advanced features. If you're just starting out or want a reliable budget drone, the DJI Mini 2 is a fantastic choice. Number 2. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, Best for creative zoom shots. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom comes with a unique optical zoom camera, allowing you to zoom without losing quality. It supports 4K video, 12-megapixel photos, and can reach speeds up to 48 miles per hour. This drone stands out for its cinematic zoom capabilities, making it perfect for creative storytelling. You can capture dramatic dolly zoom effects, which is something most drones can't do. Pros: optical zoom lens, great for cinematic shots, solid build quality, reliable flight performance. Cons: older model, lower sensor quality compared to newer drones. If you love creative filmmaking, the Mavic 2 Zoom still holds strong in 2026. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2, Best All-Rounder. The Mavic Air 2 features a 48-megapixel camera, 4K video, and 8K hyperlapse, powered by a half-inch CMOS sensor. It offers up to 34 minutes of flight time and includes ActiveTrack 3.0. This drone strikes a perfect balance between performance and price. The image quality is excellent, and the smart tracking features make it ideal for capturing moving subjects. Pros: high-resolution camera, excellent tracking features, great battery life, strong performance. Cons: slightly heavier than mini drones, limited low light performance. For most users, this is the best all-around drone in terms of value and performance. Number 4. DJI Mavic 4 Pro, Best Professional Drone. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a flagship drone with a 100-megapixel Hasselblad camera, tri-camera system, and up to 51 minutes of flight time. It also features 30 kilometers video transmission. This is a serious professional drone designed for filmmakers and high-end content creators. The image quality is simply next level, with incredible detail, color accuracy, and dynamic range. Pros: industry-leading camera quality, long flight time, advanced features and controls, massive transmission range. Cons: overkill for beginners. If you want the absolute best drone in 2026, this is it. Number 5. Potensic Atom 2, Best Alternative to DJI. The Potensic Atom 2 is a lightweight drone under 249 grams, offering 4K video, 8K photos, and up to 96 minutes flight time combo. It includes AI tracking, night shooting, and 10 kilometers transmission. This drone is a strong competitor to DJI Mini series, offering great features at a more affordable price. It's especially impressive for its AI features and extended flight time. Pros: affordable price, long battery life, AI tracking and smart features, lightweight and portable. Cons, slightly less refined than DJI. App experience could be better. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, this drone delivers excellent value. So that wraps up the top 5 best drones you can buy in 2026. No matter your budget or skill level, there's definitely a drone on this list that's perfect for you. Don't forget, all the links are in the description if you want to check prices or grab one for yourself. Before you go, smash that like button if this helped you, comment below which drone you'd pick, and subscribe for more powerful tech reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.